Dollar Tree just dropped 12 new finds you'll want to grab now. From clever home products and kitchen essentials starting at just $1.25 to surprisingly good $5 and $7 deals, these items could disappear fast. But there are also 4 products you should absolutely avoid. Dollar Tree Pink Stuff Dupe Cleaning Paste. Cleaning tough messes doesn't have to cost a lot, and the Dollar Tree Pink Stuff Dupe Cleaning Paste is one of those affordable finds worth checking out. This pink cleaning paste is designed to help tackle grease, grime, stains, and stubborn messes around your home. Comparable cleaning pastes typically sell for around $6 to $15 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. You can use it for everyday cleaning jobs in areas like the kitchen, bathroom, sinks, and other hard surfaces where regular cleaners may not be enough. Its compact size also makes it easy to keep in your cleaning cabinet whenever you need extra cleaning power. If you're always looking for inexpensive alternatives to popular cleaning products, this is definitely one to watch. Products like this can disappear quickly once shoppers discover the value. If you spot the Dollar Tree Pink Stuff Dupe Cleaning Paste, grab one before it's gone. Magnetic Dryer Sheet Holder. Keeping your laundry room organized can be easier with the Magnetic Dryer Sheet Holder, a simple Dollar Tree find designed to keep dryer sheets in one convenient place. Instead of letting dryer sheets clutter your laundry area or disappear between loads, this holder can attach directly to a metal dryer using its magnetic backing. Comparable magnetic dryer sheet holders typically sell for around $6 to $15 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. Its compact design doesn't take up much space, while the easy access opening lets you grab a dryer sheet whenever you need one. It's especially useful for busy households where laundry supplies can quickly become disorganized. Affordable organization products like this tend to get picked up quickly because shoppers can see an immediate everyday use for them. If you spot the magnetic dryer sheet holder, grab one before it's gone. Modern White's Foaming Toothpaste. Dollar Tree is expanding its Modern White's oral care line, and the new Modern White's Foaming Toothpaste is one of the products worth checking out. Foaming toothpaste is designed to create a light, foamy texture while brushing, giving your regular oral care routine a slightly different experience. Comparable specialty toothpaste products can sell for around $6 to $15 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. Its compact packaging also makes it easy to keep in your bathroom, take while traveling, or have as a backup when you run out of your regular toothpaste. The Modern White's line has been getting attention for offering affordable alternatives to more expensive oral care products, so new additions like this can attract shoppers quickly. If you're looking for an inexpensive toothpaste option and spot the Modern White's Foaming Toothpaste, grab one before it's gone. Modern White's Mouthwash. Dollar Tree is also adding to its popular Modern White's oral care collection with a new Modern White's Mouthwash. This is a simple, everyday essential that can easily become a useful addition to your bathroom routine. Comparable specialty mouthwash products can sell for around $6 to $15 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price a great budget-friendly deal. It's especially appealing for shoppers who want to try a new oral care product without spending several dollars on a larger name brand bottle. The Modern White's line has been getting attention because it offers several affordable oral care options, and new products can attract shoppers quickly. If you're already buying toothpaste from the same line, adding the mouthwash could be an easy way to complete your routine while keeping your spending low. Because new Dollar Tree finds can disappear quickly, don't wait too long if you see the Modern White's mouthwash on the shelf. Grab it while you can. Scotch-Brite Fall Harvest Scrub Sponge. If you're getting ready for fall cleaning, the Scotch-Brite Fall Harvest Scrub Sponge is a Dollar Tree find worth keeping an eye out for. This seasonal scrub sponge comes from a well-known brand and is designed to help with everyday kitchen cleaning, including dishes, sinks, counters, and other surfaces. Comparable Scotch-Brite products can sell for around $6 to $15 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price a great bargain. What makes this find even more interesting is the Fall Harvest design, giving a basic household essential a seasonal upgrade. Since seasonal products are usually available for a limited time, shoppers may not have a long window to find them once the stock starts disappearing. If you use scrub sponges regularly, this is an easy item to add to your cart without spending much. If you spot the Scotch-Brite Fall Harvest Scrub Sponge, grab one before the seasonal stock is gone. Vent lid microwave safe container. This vent lid microwave safe container is one of those Dollar Tree finds that can make everyday meal prep and food storage much easier. What makes it different is the built-in vent on the lid, which allows steam to escape when you're heating food in the microwave. That can help reduce splattering while keeping your food from becoming as soggy. The container can also be closed normally when you're storing leftovers in the refrigerator. Comparable microwave-safe food containers with vented lids can sell for around $6 to $15 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price a great bargain. It's also BPA-free and designed for convenient everyday use. If you regularly pack lunches, store leftovers, or reheat meals, this is a practical item to keep around the kitchen. If you spot the vent lid microwave-safe container, grab one before it's gone. Libby 9x13 baking dish. If you're looking for a quality kitchen upgrade without spending a lot, the Libby 9x13 baking dish is a Dollar Tree find worth checking out. Libby is a well-known glassware brand, and this baking dish has a sturdy, heavy feel that makes it useful for everything from casseroles and baked pasta to desserts and family meals. Comparable 9x13 baking dishes can sell for around $6 to $15 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. Its generous size also makes it practical for everyday cooking when you need to prepare larger portions. Getting a recognizable brand at such a low price is what makes this find stand out from many ordinary Dollar Tree kitchen products. If you spot the Libby 9x13 baking dish, don't wait too long, grab one before they disappear from the shelves. Tech storage case. If your chargers, cables, SD cards, and small electronics are always getting lost, the tech storage case could be a surprisingly useful Dollar Tree find. This compact case gives you a dedicated place to keep your everyday tech accessories organized instead of throwing everything into a drawer or bag. It includes convenient storage sections for items like charging cables, memory cards, adapters, and other small electronics. Comparable tech organizer cases can sell for around $6 to $15 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price a fantastic bargain. The zippered design also makes it easy to take your accessories with you when traveling, working, or going on vacation. For anyone who likes keeping their electronics neat and protected, this is a simple product that can make a big difference. If you spot the tech storage case, grab one before it's gone. Laptop case. If you want to protect your laptop without spending a lot of money, the laptop case is a Dollar Tree find worth checking out. This case has a zippered design and a protective interior that helps keep your computer covered while you're carrying it around. It also has a mesh-style interior that gives the case a more practical, organized feel. Comparable laptop cases can sell for around $6 to $15 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. It's especially useful for students, remote workers, travelers, or anyone who regularly takes their laptop outside the house. While you shouldn't expect premium luxury quality at this price, it's a simple and affordable way to add some basic protection without spending a lot. If you spot the laptop case at your local Dollar Tree, grab one before they're gone. Rechargeable sconce light. Want to add some extra lighting to your home without calling an electrician? The rechargeable sconce light is a clever Dollar Tree find that can give you convenient lighting without complicated wiring. This light can be mounted using adhesive or screws, making it useful for hallways, bedrooms, offices, closets, or even underneath cabinets. Comparable rechargeable sconce lights can sell for around $6 to $15 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.255 price a great bargain. It also offers multiple lighting settings so you can adjust the brightness depending on where you're using it. The rechargeable design means you don't need to keep replacing batteries every time you want to use it. For renters, homeowners, or anyone looking for affordable accent lighting, this could be a surprisingly useful addition. If you spot the rechargeable sconce light, grab one before it's gone. Tide EV tiles. Not every new product at Dollar Tree is actually a bargain, and the Tide EVO tiles are a perfect example. These laundry tiles may look like an exciting new product, especially if you want to try the latest laundry technology without buying a large package. But at Dollar Tree, you're getting only a small quantity, which makes the value less impressive compared with larger packs available elsewhere. Comparable laundry products can sell for around $6 to $15 at major retailers, while Dollar Tree's price for this item is $1.25. That may sound cheap, but when you calculate the cost per load, it may not be the best deal. If you're simply curious about trying the product, one pack could make sense, but if you're shopping specifically to save money, there are better options. So, before you put the Tide EVO tiles in your cart, think about the cost per load. This is one I'd skipped. Dove All Day Odor Control. Here's another product that may look like a great deal simply because it's sitting at Dollar Tree, but the Dove All Day Odor Control deserves a closer look before you buy it. Dove is a popular personal care brand, and this product is designed to provide long-lasting odor protection throughout the day. However, the important thing is to compare the exact size and price with other retailers. Comparable Dove products can sell for around $6 to $15, while the Dollar Tree price is $1.25. That sounds like a fantastic bargain, but a smaller package can sometimes make the savings less impressive than they appear. Dollar Tree shoppers often assume that every name brand item is automatically cheaper, but that's not always the case. If you find the Dove All Day Odor Control, check the size and compare the price before putting it in your cart. If the savings aren't significant, this is one I'd skip. Old Spice, another name brand product that can catch your eye at Dollar Tree, is Old Spice. It's a popular personal care brand, so seeing it on the shelf may immediately make you think you're getting a huge bargain. But this is exactly why it's important to compare prices before buying. Comparable Old Spice products can sell for around $6 to $15 at major retailers, while the Dollar Tree price is $1.25. The lower price may look impressive, but the package size can make a big difference when you're comparing the actual value. If you're already shopping for personal care essentials, check the exact size and compare it with the regular retail price before putting it in your cart. Dollar Tree has plenty of genuine bargains, but not every familiar brand is automatically the best deal. So if you spot Old Spice, take a quick look at the size and price first. If the savings aren't significant, skip it and save your money. Boom Vibrant Air Wireless Earbuds. Wireless earbuds may seem like one of those products you should always grab when you find them at Dollar Tree, but the Boom Vibrant Air Wireless Earbuds are actually one to think twice about. The low $1.25 price might look tempting, especially compared with wireless earbuds that can cost $6 to $15 or more at other retailers. But price isn't everything when it comes to electronics. Some shoppers have reported problems such as one earbud stopping, connection issues, and batteries draining quickly. That means you could save money up front, but end up replacing them shortly afterward. If you're only looking for an inexpensive pair as a backup, they might still be worth considering, but don't expect premium performance. For everyday listening, there are better options available. If you spot the Boom Vibrant Air wireless earbuds, I'd think twice before buying them and save that $1.25 for a better find, WD-40 Precision Pen. Here's another product that may look like a great deal at Dollar Tree, but the WD-40 Precision Pen is one you should compare before buying. WD-40 is a trusted name for household maintenance, and the Precision Pen is designed to deliver lubricant exactly where you need it, making it useful for small repairs and tight spaces. But the key issue is the price comparison. Comparable WD-40 products can sell for around $6 to $15 at major retailers, while Dollar Tree's price is $1.25. That sounds like a huge bargain, but if you can find the exact same product elsewhere for a similar price, there's no reason to rush. Dollar Tree shoppers should always compare the exact size and current price before assuming a name brand item is a deal. If you spot the WD-40 Precision Pen, check the price first. If there's no real savings, skip it and save your $1.25, and that's it. These $12 Tree finds are worth checking out, while these 4 should probably stay on the shelf. Which one would you grab first? Let me know below and subscribe for more Dollar Tree finds, deals, and money-saving tips.